PAX Gold is projected to ease down 0.4% tomorrow, 30 rates shows. But before we go deeper, let's check what's unfolding right now. PAX Gold is currently seeing a 0.4% drop and is hovering near $4,673. Moving on to what analysts are projecting. By April 25, 30 rates expects the asset to trade around $4,656, down by 0.4%. Traders Union believes PAX Gold may drift toward $4,664.93. That's a decrease of about 0.2%. CoinCodex notes the chance of moving higher to $4,689.49, implying a gain of 0.4%. Another outlook from Coin Price Forecast projects PAX Gold could climb to $4,690, about 0.4% above now. To finish, Gov Capital Collector points to $4,694.90 by April 25, which is a 0.5% increase. This is the most rewarding forecast we found. Those are the predictions. Let's shift to what's next. Summing up the forecasts from all analysts, here's what we've got. From the full spread of predictions, the potential movement in price lies between a decrease of 0.4% and a rise of 0.5%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Gov Capital Collector predicts the highest return with 0.5% gain in value by tomorrow. Put simply, you could come away with between $2 and $5 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, Traders Union's forecast carries a 68.9% probability of hitting the target. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. The average forecast keeps PAX Gold around $4,679.06. Okay, let's take a closer look. The consensus snapshot shows a 0.1% gain in price. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 0.1%. With 1,000, the numbers suggest a possible $1 more. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 70%. At this point in the outlook, let's check the short-term 3-day market view given by analysts. 30 rates signals a steady decline. Additionally, Traders Union suggests PAX Gold could slide further. For the coming days, CoinCodex sees the price holding steady without any strong trend developing. For the near term, similarly, Coin Price Forecast sees the price staying level. Also, Gov Capital Collector notes that PAX Gold may continue to trade sideways, suggesting investors should not expect big moves during this horizon. Overall, the consensus points to PAX Gold remaining balanced across the 3-day period. Looking at the combined set of forecasts, the majority position indicates PAX Gold may gain ground in the short term. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Today we review their accuracy. Ultimately, yesterday's candle ended at $4,682.40. The outcome showed that the majority of forecasts were correct about the direction. From the accuracy angle, Digital Coin Price gave the sharpest forecast. Now for a clear breakdown. Yesterday's range included 2 forecasts. Speaking of ROI, not all results were positive, but Digital Coin Price achieved the strongest gain at 1.4%. Now on screen is the summary table, all results together in one view. As indicated in the data, Digital Coin Price achieved 1.4% ROI and $32.78 accuracy. See which forecasts match the market movement most precisely. Let's see how the forecasts for tomorrow compare across several cryptos including PAX Gold. PAX Gold is not the leader today as the highest forecasted profitability belongs to Dogecoin with 1.3%. For now, I've compared PAX Gold with just 4 random cryptocurrencies. The broader comparison and analyst performance overview will soon be published on my website and Telegram. That's it, guys. Subscribe now to follow the next set of market predictions. Bye for now.